YouTube, welcome to my channel. First of all, about me. I'm Alex and I'm from Bremen in Germany. I've been living in Japan for about 3 years. I came here with a working holiday visa that I was able to extend 3 times for 6 months to 2.5 years total due to COVID-19. Before Corona I was already traveling through some parts of Japan, but in December before Corona I took a break in Osaka and started working in a hotel. Due to the outbreak of Corona, I was no longer able to travel without restrictions for a while, so I stayed in Osaka for almost 2 years and met my wife there. I've been working as a freelancer in English to German translation since my first day in Japan, and now I made it my main job. Furthermore, I have created an online shop and sell Japan-specific products there, especially anime figures. Recently, however, I have switched more to sweets and snack boxes. At the beginning of the year, I started traveling all over Japan with my wife. I saw many new sides of Japan, and I want to show more people this side of Japan. The big cities of Tokyo, Osaka and Kyoto are already all over YouTube, but places like Oita, Tsuwano or Hinase aren't so well known. The beautiful nature and diverse opportunities that this country offers. I will try to upload at least 1 video per week. I have already filmed some videos, so check out my channel and learn more about this amazing country. If you are interested in these videos, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So welcome to this virtual journey through the land of the rising sun.